This is the Gomoku game I built with Unity. Gomoku is also called 5 in a row. The goal of the game is to order unbroken rows of 5 signs horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. When the app is first opened, the camera will look for planar surfaces, and this will take a few seconds. The detected planar surfaces are shown in light yellow shades. Tapping on any points of the light yellow shade will place a game board. This is a 16x16 game board and the size is customizable in Unity. The Move Board button on the bottom allows us to move the game board. When this button is hit, the camera will detect new planar surfaces and show new yellow shades. Hitting a new shade will bring the game board to a new location. Be aware that moving the board will actually erase all your current progress, so don't move the board while you are playing the game. Player 1 is represented by the color blue and player 2 by the color red. Tapping on any of the white chests in the player's turn will change the chest to the player's color. In this game, player 1 first gets 5 in a row and wins. A banner showing the winning side pops up as well as the Play a Game button. If the button is hit, the game board will be clear and the camera will detect for new planar surfaces. In the occasion when both sides result in a draw, a banner showing it's a draw will pop up. That's all I have for my Gomoku game. Thank you for watching the video.